Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about count functions in Excel. Okay. So generally we are using five count functions in Excel. Actually there are so many count functions, but in general life, or you can say some general office work, we are using five types of count functions. So the five types of count functions are: first one is count, second one is count A, third one is count blank, fourth one is count if, and fifth one is count ifs. Okay, so we will see one by one what are the functions of these given functions. Okay, so let's see. We will start with count. So I had already made one Excel sheet. You can see here we have data. Okay, so in data we have something like numerical value 6 5 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then we have Pratik, Gaurav, Aman, Mayank, Mihir, these all things. So our data contains numerical values as well as alphabetical values, means that's the name. Okay, so we will see how to perform the count function first. Okay, so count function. So how to write the count function? So what we will do, we will come to a cell. Okay, we will write here equal to. So you must remember that whenever we are going to use a function or a formula in an Excel, we have to use equal to sign before. Okay, so I had given equal to, and then I will write here count. Okay, so I'm writing here count. Okay, so I already got count here, means I retained only COUN. Okay, after writing this I got some count formulas, okay, in the drop down. So my formula I want to see is this COUNT count. Okay, so I will select it. Okay, and after this I will select the range of data. Okay, so for range of data I will come here and I will directly drag it down. Okay, so our range of data is from from A to A10. So you can see is equal to count, and range of data is A2 is to A10. Okay, we will close the bracket and we will give one enter here. Okay, so as we have given enter here, so what we are getting, we are getting only 4. Okay, so in count, using count formula we got only 4. So what is that? Means 1 2 3 and 4, means the count formula is used to count how many integer type of data are there, or you can say how many number types of data are here. Okay, so if we are using count function, then it will not count the alphabetical datas. Okay, so you must remember, if we are using the count functions, it will not count the alphabetical one datas, okay, or the special characters data. So our count functions is used for counting the numerical type of data. Okay, means number types of data. So our number types of data were this one, this one, this one, and this one. So if we have used our count function, we have got 4. So you can see here what was the formula was is equal to count A2 is to A10, and then we have got 4. Okay, so wait 1 second please. Yeah, so yeah. So now we will come, I hope you have understood about count functions. So if you have any doubt regarding the count function, you can text me in the comment section of YouTube. Okay, so let's see for count A. Yeah. So what we have to do, we have to write here is equal to, and then count. Okay, and then we already got here count A, so we have selected it, and we will select the range of data. Okay, so we have selected this range of data. Range of data is from A2 is to A10. Okay, now we will close the bracket and we will give one enter. Okay, so here it is showing 9. Okay, so why 9? Because our how many cells are filled with data? So 9 cells are filled with data. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so count a. So using counter we got 9. It means what, that if we are using count a functions, then it will count number of cells filled by numerical values as well as our alphabetical values. Okay, So if some data, if some cells are filled by integer values and some cells are filled by, you can say, like alphabets, okay, then also no problem, it will count all total. Okay, so somewhere count A is better than count, okay, because count is used to count only the numerical types of values that are filled in a cell. Okay, and from counter we can count how many cells are filled. Okay, so if our cells are filled by some special character, okay, and some cells are filled by numbers, some are filled by alphabets, okay, and we want to count how many, the total numbers of cells filled by alphabet plus special characters and integers or other numericals, then we can use the count a functions. Okay, and now let's come for the count blank. So as the name suggests, means count blank will count how many cells are empty. Okay, how many cells are not filled by any kind of data. Okay, so for this what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove some data from the cells. So let's remove this one. Okay, I'm deleting it, and then once more this. Okay, now let's see how to do it. So same thing as I told earlier, if we are using any formula in Excel, first we have to put equal sign. Okay, is equal to, and then what we have to write, the formula. So count blank. Okay, so we got here count blank, and then select the range. So I'm selecting the range. Okay, I have selected the range, then close the bracket and enter. Okay, so let me see what has happened. Yeah, so you have got the value here 2. Why 2? Because 2 cells are empty here. Okay, so this is very easy formula. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. Okay, so if you are getting any doubts, any questions, you can uh, comment me. Okay, in you can in my YouTube channel. Okay, let's see. Now let's see for count if. Okay, so countif is for if means what, will be given with some conditions. Okay, if means countif means we have to count something. Okay, but there will be one condition. Okay, and count ifs means what, that we have to count something and there will be more than one condition. Count if means we have to count, but there will be one set of condition. Okay, so let's see. So here we have data like name, salary in rupees, and location. Okay, so let's see for count if. Okay, so let us write here count, and we already got here count if. Okay, so let's see, let's count the number of person who are getting salaries equal to 50,000 or more than 50,000. Okay, so our condition is find number of persons, count number of persons who are getting salaries equal to 50,000 or more than 50,000. Okay, so count if we will use, because only one condition is there, means more than 50,000, equal to or greater than 50,000. Okay, so we will select here one range. So salary range is this, we have to get our answer from here. Okay, this is our range, and our criteria is greater or equal to 50,000. So criteria has to be written in double quotes. So greater or equal to how much, 50,000, then double quotes closed, close the bracket and enter. Okay, so we got 2. Where, why 2? See, this Pratik is getting 50,000, and then here this Mihir is getting 60,000, only 2. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Now let's come for count ifs. Okay, so in count ifs, uh, we will see for the two conditions. Okay, so generally in count ifs we can have n numbers of conditions, but here I will show only two conditions. Okay, so let's see. So I will write here count. Okay, count ifs. Okay, so let us see what should be the two criteria. So the two criteria should be that salary should be greater or equal to 50,000 and the location should be Mumbai. Okay, so first I will select the range. First range is this. Okay, I have selected, and the criteria is what, criteria is greater or equal to 50,000. Okay, you must write the criteria in double quotes, again one comma. Okay, after comma you have to write the range 2. Okay, range 2, criteria range 2. So our range is this Mumbai, because we want to find numbers of person getting 50,000 or more than 50,000 and their location is Mumbai. Okay, so for the town location or city location we have to select this range we have selected. Okay, then one comma. And what is the criteria, what is the condition? That location should be Mumbai. So in double quotes you write Mumbai. Okay, then close the bracket. Okay, and then enter. So we got 2. Why we got 2? Because see, 2 persons are getting 50,000 or more than 50,000 and location is Mumbai. This one, this guy is getting, and here you can see this guy is getting. Okay, so I hope you have understood the video. Okay, and I'm going to make some more videos that I will upload soon. Okay, till then have a nice time, and if you like the video, please like, if you like the videos, please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much for watching.